Several years ago, during the nadir of my home cooking experiences, I had a coworker who either took pity on me or who, more realistically, was tired of smelling my nauseating lunches every day. So he recommended an easy spaghetti cream sauce recipe, and I screwed it up beyond imagination, and it became one of the things I regularly made.
Now begin by dicing a small onion, knock over the camera in the process. Okay, let's try that again. Dice a medium onion actually, and then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then get them into a pot and saute over medium heat for about 5 minutes. And then add a clove of garlic. I don't have that at the moment, so I'm just using garlic powder instead. Stir that around, and then add 1 can of Italian-style stewed tomatoes. And then also add some white sugar, 3/4 teaspoon white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/8 teaspoon ground black pepper. Stir that around and let it boil until the water evaporates. And then in the meantime, while that's going on, add about 2.5 or so pieces of bacon to the Pullman grill, not for the camera again. The recipe doesn't call for bacon, but it's a nice addition. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, and then now just get the bacon chopped up, get it in there, and this is what it looks like completed. Now, the first time I made this, I had never heard of heavy whipping cream before, so I just had almond milk on hand, and I used almond milk instead, and it was very watery, but once I learned what heavy cream is, it, well, was better.